Hey there, kindergarten families. Mrs. Miller here, and I want to show you how you can edit a PDF online. This is with the example using the assignment 10 black dots extra practice, but you'll be able to use the advice in this video anytime that you want to try to edit a PDF. So for this specific example, we're going to click on the activity, and when we do that, it's going to take us to a preview of what the PDF looks like. So there'll be 10 pages for 10 black dots. In order to mark this up on my screen, I need to download it again. And now it's going to be saved to my computer, but I still can't mark it up yet. So I need to download it one more time. And this is about the third time I've practiced, so I'm going to name it 3 so that I can find it easier. You can name it whatever helps you find it, and then click Save. Then you're going to go to your Finder, and wherever you save that to, you're going to select it until you see a screen that looks like this. You'll notice that there's a toolbar up here, and this is how we're going to mark up our 10 black dots. So I need to click this markup button here, and it will open up a new toolbar for me with different options. If I want to use my pen, I can select different colors. Let's say I need pink, and then it's not going to do anything until you choose what you want to do with it. So if I want to draw, I can do either a thin sketch line or a thick draw line. So I'm going to select draw, and then I can use my mouse to turn my black dot into something. Like maybe I'm going to use my one black dot to make a flower. We were looking for a pink flower, but we may be stuck with black. Let's try it one more time. I think we're stuck with black. That's okay for now. It sticks with the theme of the story. If you make a mistake, you can go up to your preview toolbar and click Edit and then Undo, and then it will take away whatever you did. So if you did something with all those continual strokes, it will take away everything. If you just do it one by one, it will take away one at a time. Then we have down at the bottom what one dot can make. So this part would be pretty tricky to do with the pen tool. So instead I'm going to click on the little add text box, and I can drag it down here, and I can type one dot can make a flower. This isn't the friendliest way of editing, but what I can do is get what I need there, and then when I come up here, I can change my font, I can change my size, I can change my color, whatever it is that I need it to be. That's not the important part of the assignment, but if you're a stickler for making things look a certain way, you do have those options. And then once you're finished editing, keep in mind that there are 10 pages to this book. That's why you have until the 16th to submit it. You're going to want to save this. So up at the top, I know that's a little tricky for you to see right now. Here we go. If we click File and then we click Save, it will save what we just did here, which isn't a whole lot. But when you go to submit it in your Canvas screen, it will give you your completed PDF as long as you save it. So I hope that's helpful. I know this is a little tricky, especially for kindergartners. I'm hoping that instead you're able to print out the worksheets and have students use hands-on paper, pencil, crayon, markers, whatever you have at home. But I also know that may not be a possibility for everyone. So I wanted to take the time to show you how you can do it online if you don't have a printer readily available. I hope your students enjoy the story, and I hope they enjoy this activity that's a little more creative and hands-on, and I can't wait to see what they come up with.